what do you think about the upcoming Tecno Camon 16? Is it coming up too soon? Did you just buy the recent Camon 15? So if you're looking forward to getting a new smartphone right now, you might want to hold on first and watch this video till the end. Hey, what's going on guys? Fred's Tech Up here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to tell you guys about some exciting new smartphone that is coming up very soon. When I say very soon, I'm talking about in a week's or in a month's time. Yeah, so there are some interesting and exciting new smartphone that is coming out from your favorite smartphone brands very soon. So you might want to stick around and watch this video to the end to know more about this exciting new smartphone. But before that, if you haven't already, please kindly hit on that subscribe button down below to join this awesome family, and be sure to turn on your post notifications so you get alerted whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. So coming in at number 5, we have the Tecno Phantom 10. I already made a video about this device, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll have it here. Yeah, here. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can go check it out, alright? But I'm still going to shed more light about the upcoming Tecno Phantom 10. It is going to come in two variants, which is the 6GB variant and the 8GB variant. And it's going to come with major improvement coming up from the previous device. I'm not going to say much about the Tecno Phantom 10 because I've made a full video about the upcoming Tecno Phantom 10. So make sure you browse the channel and check it out, and also check the link in the description box. So moving on, we have the Samsung Galaxy M51. So the striking thing about the M51, or the most exciting thing about the M51, is the huge 7000 mAh battery it is going to come with. Yes, you heard me very well. A monster 7000 mAh battery on a small smartphone that you can fit right inside your pocket. What could be more awesome than that? The M51 will come with a quad camera setup, which is a 64 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixels depth sensor, and a 5 megapixels macro lens. Then on the selfie department, is going to come with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The display size is going to be a 6.7 inch full HD plus Super AMOLED display, and it's going to come with a 25-watt fast charger. We're going to have options for 8GB of RAM and 6GB of RAM as well. Then the CPU will be a Snapdragon 732G processor, and that I feel it is awesome for this device. So the Samsung Galaxy M51 will be priced below or a little above $300 if I am not mistaken, and if every information about it is correct. Okay, so moving on is the Infinix Zero 8. The Infinix Zero 8 has already been released in Kenya, but it has not been released or announced here yet. So I am so excited about that particular device because I believe this is the best Infinix device ever. So most of its striking feature has to be the 90Hz full HD plus display. Yes, you heard me right, a 90Hz display on an Infinix device. Wow, I cannot wait for this day to come. I am super excited right here. So the whole spec sheet about the Infinix Zero 8 is really exciting. Like the MediaTek Helio G90T processor, an 8GB of RAM, a 128GB of internal storage, a 64 megapixels camera capable of shooting 4K video. That is exciting. That is really exciting about an Infinix device. And this will be the first time we're going to have 4K capabilities on an Infinix device. If you're not happy, I don't know what will excite you. A large 4400 mAh battery with an 18-watt fast charger. So having an Infinix device that is capable of shooting a 4K video is going to be awesome. And I know for sure Infinix is going to price this device very well. So I have so much high hope for the Zero 8 that is coming, and I cannot wait to get my hands on it so that I can give you guys my full review. Okay, so coming in at number 2 has to be the Oppo F17 Pro. Yeah, the Oppo F17 Pro is going to come with an exciting new features like the 120Hz refresh rate. The Oppo F17 Pro is going to come with a 6.43-inch HD plus display, which is an AMOLED display, a MediaTek Helio P95 octa-core CPU, and 8GB of RAM and a 128GB of internal storage. It is also going to get a dual front camera and a quad rear camera. On the rear side, we're going to have a 48 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor, a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and a 2 megapixels macro lens, a 4000 mAh battery, and a 30-watt VOOC flash charge. So we're going to have a 4000 mAh battery on the Oppo F17 Pro, coupled with a 30-watt VOOC flash charge from Oppo, which I feel it is very, very interesting and exciting as well. So you see why I say you should hold on first. Do not purchase any smartphone that we have available right now, unless you're going for the flagship device. But right now, please hold on, because something great is coming in from the budget segment. All right. Okay, so coming in at number 1 has to be the Poco X3. Poco fans, you guys should gather your dancing shoes. The X3 is coming up very soon, and it is exciting as well. So the Poco X3 is going to come with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, which is an AMOLED display, and it's going to come with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Yes, you heard me right. Then the processor that is going to handle this be a Snapdragon 732G CPU. The Poco X3 is going to come with a 64 megapixels quad rear camera and a 20 megapixels front facing camera. Then we're going to have a huge 5160 milliampere battery with a 33-watt fast charger. So you see why I say you should hold on first. You shouldn't buy what we have on the market right now, unless you are very desperate. So as a bonus point, we all know, I know if you've seen on the internet, the Tecno Camon 16 will be launching very, very soon. The Tecno Camon 15 was announced March this year, and right now we're having the second version of it, which is the Tecno Camon 16. I do not have much information about the Tecno Camon 16, and I cannot say much about it, but just be rest assured that it's going to be announced very soon. So what do you think about the upcoming Tecno Camon 16? Is it coming up too soon? Did you just buy the recent Camon 15? Let me know down in the comment section below, alright? Alright, that has been it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Which of these devices are you so much excited about? Let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe, because it's going to help us very much. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.